What's up, my creators? How are you today? One of my subscribers asked if I could show how you would upload a font into Canva, and I am going to do that. So I get most of my fonts from Creative Fabrica. So we are on that page now, creativefabrica.com. And if you look on the or look at the tabs here, you'll see a fonts tab. So you can click on fonts tab, and I am going to choose the display fonts. And in there is a font that I really like called Pink Girl. So I'm going to click on Pink Girl. When that opens up, I can download it because I have a subscription. If you don't have a subscription, you'll have to purchase it. I don't know the cost of this because I have a subscription, so everything's included in that subscription price. But I am going to download this now. Once you download this to your computer, it's going to download as a zipped file. So when you extract that file, so you would, for you newbies who are not quite sure what to do, when that file hits your download folder, you would do a right click and you'll see an option to extract the file. When you extract the file, you extract it, just hit enter, and it will extract into itself. And you may see two different files in that folder. One may say open font and the other may say true type font. You only need one. And to my knowledge, it doesn't really matter. I've uploaded either one and it does not matter at all. I've not seen a difference in that. So now we're going to go over to Canva because my file has downloaded. So we're going to go over to Canva and upload that file into Canva. Now, what I like to do when I'm in Canva, this is what I have done, and I'll show you. It's a little trick, and it just helps me keep up with my fonts because I have so many of them. So I'm just going to create a design, and it can be any size. It really does not matter. I'm just going to choose custom size, and I'm just going to choose 36 by 48. It really does not matter. So once this file opens up, I am going to select text over on the left hand side, and I'm just going to choose add a subheading because that's a smaller size than the add a heading. I'm going to move it up to the front, up to the top rather. And while it's selected, you can see that the font that it currently is in is up at the top on the left of the menu bar. So I am going to click on that Canva Sans, and that will bring up all of the different fonts. So now I'm going to go over to the font panel, and I'm going to choose upload a font. When I upload that font, which was called Pink Girl, and let me do that now. Okay, so now I've uploaded the font. I'm going to scroll down to the uploaded font sections, and you'll notice this is a premium feature, so you can only apparently upload fonts if you pay for a premium feature. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find that particular font called Pink Girl. Where is it? Okay, here's Pink Girl. So I clicked on it, and now this font over here in our text box changes to that particular style of font. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in here Pink Girl, and this way I know that this is what my Pink Girl font looks like. So this file, I'm going to change the name of this file to Uploaded Fonts, and I'm going to save this file. When you save this file, every time you get ready to upload another font, you can just simply open this file and upload your font there. So let's do it again. Let's pretend that we've uploaded another font. So I'm going to click on here on this Pink Girl font. I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to pull it down a little bit. While it's highlighted, I'm going up to the top where it says Pink Girl. It shows the type of font that it is. I'm going to click that. It's going to bring up my fonts um, column over here. At the very bottom, I'm going to click on Upload a Font, and you're going to upload your font again. Canva is going to ask you, let's do it one more time so I can show you. Canva is going to ask you if you want to upload this font, and you're going to say yes. It didn't show that before because I had already uploaded that font before I recorded this video. So you're going to say yes, upload anyway, because you have the right to use this for your intended purposes. So you would say yes, upload anyway. I'm not going to do that because I've already uploaded this font. Okay, so I'm going to close this box out. But let's say I had uploaded a different font. So let's say I had just uploaded this font called, let me make sure I'm still in my uploaded fonts area. And I think I am. Yes. So let's say I just uploaded this Brownies regular. So I would click on that. And now this font will change to that. And I'm going to type in here, Brownies regular. This just helps when you start uploading a lot of different fonts. It helps you when you open your uploaded fonts file. It helps you to just kind of quickly look at your fonts and see which one, you would really like, because sometimes when you are in the font tab, you can see it but you can't really tell what it looks like, or how your design is going to be. So this helps a lot. So that's what I do to upload fonts. So if you go back over to Creative Fabrica, you'll see they have so many different fonts. Now, right now, we're just in the display fonts, but if you go back to fonts, if you go down to decorative fonts, these are great for weddings, wedding invitations rather, script fonts, and also they have a section called wedding fonts. Um, the slab serif fonts are really good for posters and things like that. The minimalist ones, these are really good for social media posts, especially for business. So you might want to, upload some of these into your Canva account. So anyway, I hope this helped you some. Just wanted to come on here and quickly show how you would upload fonts, because even though it seems simple, sometimes if you haven't done it before, it can be difficult. And it's one of those things that once you start doing it, you'll be like, oh, yeah, this is easy. So just wanted to give you a quick tip on that. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Be creative, and remember, the more we create, the less we hate. Okay, peace and love.